Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8, English version Math, Measurement Chapter, Exercise 3. Question number 29. The breadth of a room is 2/3 times of its length. The length and height of the room are 15 meter and 4 meter respectively. The floor of the rooms is set with stones of size 50 centimeter. This will be centimeter, not square. Leaving 1 meter margin in all sides, air is 0.00129 times heavier than water. Find out the perimeter of the room. Will be perimeter. Perimeter of the room. B. How many pieces of stone will be needed? C. How much air is there in the room? Here actually by how much air means they mean the weightage, the weight of the air, the weight. Let us start with A. Find the perimeter of the room, where breadth is 2/3 times of its length. Length equals to 15 meter. Breadth equals to 2/3 of length. (10 meter). Length, breadth. So perimeter equals to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth equals to 2 into 15 plus 2 into 10 equals to 50 meters. B. How many pieces of stone will be needed? So the floor is set with stones of the size 50 centimeter. The size of each stone is 50 centimeter, means each side of stone, this is square shaped. Stones are always square shaped. So each side is 50 centimeter. Let us find the area of stone. Equals to 50 into 50 square centimeter equals to 2500 square centimeter. 5 into 5, 25, 0. Now we got the area of a stone is 2500 square centimeter. Now they said the floor has a margin of 1 meter all around, and stones will be set leaving 1 meter margin all sides. This is 1 meter margin. The length of floor without margin is 15 minus 2 meter equals to 13 meter. If we deduct 1 meter on the right, 1 meter on the left, the length will be 13 meters. And if we need to change it to convert it to centimeter. Why? Because the size of the stone is given in centimeter. So from meter to centimeter, we know already milli, centi, deci, meter. So from meter, if you come to centimeter, you have to multiply by 100. Means 1300 centimeter. Now breadth of floor without margin equals to, again deduct from 10 meter, deduct 2 meter equals to 8 meter equals to 800 centimeter. Now that we got the length and breadth of floor without margin, we can find the area. Therefore, area of floor without margin equals to 1300 length into breadth, 800 square centimeter. 1300 into 800 is 10440 square centimeter. Now area of floor without margin is this, and area of each stone is 2500 square centimeter. Now how can we find the number of stones needed? Just divide the area of floor by area of a stone. Therefore, number of stones needed equals to 104 and 40 divided by 2500 equals to 416. So number of stones needed is 416. Now C, after B we do C. How much air is there in the room? Or the weight, what is the weight of the air in the room? To find the weight of the air in the room, first we need to find volume, and from volume we need to find the weight. Now volume of the room equals to length into breadth into height. Therefore, volume equals to we are going to do it in centimeter, because we have to find from the weight of water. They said air is heavier than water, 0.00129 times heavier than water, and from water we have to find the weight of air. 1500 multiplied by, what is the breadth? 10 meter. So 100 centimeter into 400, and the unit will be cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter equals to, if you multiply 15 by 4, it is 60. And how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cubic centimeter. Now that we got the volume of the room, let's find the weight of water. We have to find the weight of air from weight of water. Weight of 1 cubic centimeter water equals to 1 gram. Therefore, weight of 6, then 8 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cubic centimeter water equals to, multiply 1 by 6, then 8 zeros, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals to 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 grams. Therefore, weight of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cubic centimeter air. Now from water to air, we know it is heavier how many times? 0.00129 times. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 multiply by 0.00129. Why we multiply? Because it is 0.00129 times heavier. Unit will be grams. Equals to, if we multiply and simplify the calculation, it will be 774,000. 774,000 grams. Now if you divide by 1000, it will be in kilogram. 774 kilogram. So the answer for A is 50 centimeter. Answer for B, it is 416 pieces of stone. Answer to C is 774 kilograms of air. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.